Restore Grace came together as a sister-in-law duo in 2015, offering earthy classic contemporary Australian handmade indoor and outdoor cushion covers, floor cushion covers, pot plant covers and plant hangers.
Hi, we're Nicole and Katrina, owners and founders of Restore Grace.
We both studied interior design and wanted to pursue our passion for home styling, bringing to life our small family-operated business in country New South Wales.
We are passionate about creating high-quality handmade products that you can style in your home.
Every process is carefully carried out and every piece carefully made by us and our amazing team right here in our studio.
It's a handmade journey from beginning to end, from sourcing the material, designing the collections, cutting, sewing and creating unique homewares that provide classic, curated comfort for your home. Surrounded by mountains, snow, bush and Australia's south coast beaches, we draw inspiration from our beautiful surroundings to form our comforting aesthetic homewares collections. These designs, tones and patterns are moulded into a product to suit the look and feel of any home.
We are so proud to be Australian Made certified. Australian Made, supporting small business and implementing sustainable practices is so important to us, and we believe these qualities are what our customers are looking for when they're shopping. There's a feel-good feeling knowing you've personally reduced your carbon footprint, invested in ethical manufacturing and helped keep a small Australian business in work.
Our ever-evolving collections are all handmade by us in small batch productions, and we love creating homewares that you won't find anywhere else. We hope you love our products as much as we do.